Buffalo, New York, August 15, 2019, 11:55 a.m. CNA. 22 plaintiffs filed August 14 a lawsuit against the Diocese of Buffalo, a province of the Society of Jesus, multiple priests, 8 parishes, 3 high school, a seminary, among others, alleging a pattern of racketeering activity that enabled and covered up clerical sexual abuse. The lawsuit was filed on the first day of a legal window allowing for sexual abuse lawsuits to be filed in New York even after their civil statute of limitations had expired. Among the plaintiffs, who are not named, are several alleged victims of clerical sexual abuse. The lawsuit alleges specific instances of sexual abuse by priests, and claims that the diocese failed in its duty of care towards children by allowing abusive priests to have contact with minors through parishes and schools. The suit says that priests named in the lawsuit, used their positions of authority and trust over plaintiffs to sexually abuse and injure them. There is more to the article at the link in the description.